Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to share your current location on Messenger using the latest version of the app. Whether you're meeting up with a friend or just want someone to know where you are, this simple feature can make things a whole lot easier and safer. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and that you've given the app permission to access your location. Once you're inside, the rest is super straightforward. Next, open the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. You can choose anyone from your list of conversations, or even start a new chat if you prefer. Once you're in that conversation window, you're ready for the next step. Now, take a look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. This small icon opens up a menu with different options, including files, pictures, payments, and of course, location sharing. Once you tap the plus icon, choose location from the list. Messenger will show you a map with a blue dot marking where you are currently located. It might take a second to load, especially if your GPS signal is weak, so just give it a moment to find you. To start sharing where you are in real time, tap Start Sharing Live Location. This allows the person on the other end to see your live location as you move for a set period. It's especially helpful when you're on your way to meet someone. It lets them track your approach without you needing to text constant updates. And that's it. You've successfully shared your live location on Messenger. Once you're done, you can stop sharing anytime by simply tapping Stop Sharing. This gives you total control over when and how long your location is visible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.